Right there, fool. Fucking ice cream truck. Bullshit, homie.
Checking out the new work. What's up, youngster? You see what time it is, bro? Lena, what's up, mamas? How you doing, baby girl? What's he doing now? Oh man, got the springs put in. See that? Larrykilla right there.
Oh, I'll be missing this ice cream truck.
Man, that shit was coming right now.
I've been hearing that motherfucker for about an hour. Child, he's coming up.
Oh man.
Sparking, man. I can tell you. That's that,
You said it's sparking?
yeah, the armature. Armature, back armature.
What's up, everybody? Come on by. About to give you a quick little sneak peek. Came out here to one way. My homie brought his car to do a little upgrade. Nothing major. You already know creamy situation. This motherfucker don't fuck around. What's up, everybody? What's good? What's good? Chilling, bros. Chilling. What up, Jerry? What up, J-Mac? Just chilling, bro. About to give you a sneak peek. Got a big homie right here. Big Snow. You know where we're at. One-way hydraulics. We need them work, so you guys got to come see Larry, man.
Larry, your ass gonna burn shit out.
So, Larry the Killer about to be on the switch.
Come another car, look. Oh, that brake line. See it right there? Sitting on the spring.
Watch out, Larry.
Yeah.
Larry on the switch. You know how that goes. So hang tight. What up? What up, bees? Prime face was good. Jay Streetwise, what up, Jay? Man, chilling, bro. You know what to do. Hold on. Larry the Killer. On the steering wheel? So we just give it a little test run. Don't want to give too much, put too much out, but for those for you that are always tapping in, checking in, you already know what this baby does. Yeah, man. What kind of pump is it? Oh, man. Come on, bro. Top secret over here, man. You know how it goes. But she works, though. Thanks a lot, bro. She works, though. Big snowman, man. I'm telling you. You guys need to come out here to Hoover and get with One Way. Get your shit right. Alright, man. I'm about to tap out. Just wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek. Thank you guys for checking in.
If you whenever you want to get out, just call me.